so excited. Alright, so situation is one of the rear calipers, the rear caliper color doesn't match the front caliper color, and I really like the front caliper color, so I've got to strip them. The right way is to pull everything apart, but what I'm doing is I'm using, oh, I don't even remember the name of it at the moment, but here, let me show you what it is doing. So I've sprayed or put the stuff on, and I've got to now peel it off. Not a lot of fun, but it's coming off. Funny, after I made that entry, that video, it started peeling up easily. Should have made the video earlier. The reason I'm doing it this way is I'm just trying it, I'm just trying it, just curious. So I will definitely take it to someone else the next time, if there's a next time. Alright guys. Well, looks like the weather has caught up with me, or the sunset, I guess. But here, let me just show you what they look like at the moment. I'll have to finish these another day. Ooh. Bam. Hit you with the other one. It's gonna be so sweet. Bam. I believe this is coat number 6, 7. Hey guys, so as you can see the calipers back here, I'm finding that I said that I was going to strip it and paint it myself, which I did, but I'm finding that it's not the quality that I would like. So after all, I am going to strip them again and get them powder coated properly. I'm probably going to go for a brighter green as well. Anyhow, just an update letting you know, and let me show you what I mean by something fell on it and it chipped it, and I touched it up, and now I'm noticing like a little bit bubbling, and you know, I'm just not happy with it. So well, at least I tried, right? Okay, let me show you. So you can see here that it chipped, and I touched it up, and touched it up, and I'm seeing that the color isn't matching. So that's not, I'm not happy about that. This side here, there was a little bubble here, and I touched it, and it just peeled off. So strip it and redo it properly. Well, redo it properly, powder coat it,